Hi everyone, this is Aaron from 160. I'm joined together with my daughter and wife. Now this is sent by Vivo in collaboration with POP MART, and this is actually the collaboration of vivo V60, the new device or the new phone that is going to come out somewhere early next week. We don't know the price yet for this phone, but rest assured, once we have the price, we'll put it on our website or on our social media. So what is so special about this occasion is it's a collaboration between Vivo and POP MART to actually come out with a new collaboration gift set, which is they call it the ZSIGA, ZSIGA collection. So I do have the box over here, and we're gonna do the unboxing experience together. Well, this unboxing will be minimally edited, so we will try to do the best we can over here. What is about this Vivo new phone, this V60? I have the box over here. So this phone is gonna launch next week, as I mentioned, and it is targeted towards the masses when it comes to portrait camera shooting in a compact smartphone, so to speak. It comes in different colors. Well, you'll find out more next week, but for now, let's just do the unboxing that Vivo has sent in. So what do I have over here? This is the instruction card that shows us how to do the unboxing. We also have the blind box as well, so yeah. So it comes with a few boxes over here actually, and let me just get the first big box over here. So this big box, actually, when we construct it completely, this will be the box whereby you can put all the ZSIGA collection. So inside the box there's actually a few things. Let me just take out so that you can have a look. This one, it says over here, this is actually the phone strap for the phone. There you go. Isn't it look cute? Maybe you can open it up.
This is cute. Put on your phone.
The second one over here, this is the acrylic. So this one, you can see it clearly over here on this clear plastic. So we'll just put it one side. We do have over here this exclusive phone pouch. Yeah, this is actually the phone pouch. Yes, you want to show it in front of the camera?
You like it? Yes.
And this is actually the exclusive phone case, specifically for the Vivo V60. This is how the phone case looks like. And when you fit it to the V60, there you go.
So cute.
So cute.
Last but not least, inside the box, we also have the sticker set. So we'll just put all this one side over here. I understand it's a bit messy. So let's just start the display stand assembly. There you go. That's how the box actually looks like. We will do the arrangement later. And Yes, we'll just put one side first. Finally, this is the set of the blind box. So I have opened the first blind box already actually this morning because I need to go out for photo shoot, and this is the first set that I got.
What's that called?
Yeah, what's that called?
Don't know.
This is called the blowing wave.
Can I see?
Yeah, it's called the blowing waves. Yeah. So it comes together with the card as well.
What is this?
So there is actually 12 inside it. This little boat, which is on top of this figurine's head. So there is actually 12, and since I have already unboxed one this morning for photo shooting, we still have
Wow.
11 more to go.
Let's go.
Yes, among these 12, there will be one that is which is special.
Let's
So
take it out first.
yeah, we'll just take it out. So this is actually part of the Take It Slow figurine collection, and my daughter will do the second unboxing.
Which one you want to choose? Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, you see there's a line here?
Mm-hmm.
To save time, I'll just do the third one.
Is that? This is called line up. This is a line up.
So she got the lineup.
Okay.
Yeah, show it in front of the camera. Yes, like this. So this one is lined up.
It's got an arrow.
I got what we call the playful sprite. Yeah, did you see? Oh, playful sprite is number 4 over here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the playful sprite. It looks like this.
Okay. This is the circle. Circle. Circle is number 8.
I got this one. Is called Afternoon at the Ranch. Afternoon at the Ranch. That's the first one.
Let's do the next one.
Is that a tree?
So this is how Afternoon at the Ranch looks like.
Yeah, pick up. This one is the camping night.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
camping night.
Camping night.
Oh my god.
And
It
here's
looks
number 5.
No, number 5. Camping night is number 5. And I got this one. Is called Drying Clothes. Drying Clothes is number 2.
wow. And look at it.
Another. These are keys.
So you can actually arrange it on the box.
Pa, can I do?
Yes, yes, of course. Yeah.
Papa.
Yes. So this box actually has its functionality actually. The first one, we can put all of our figurine in this box, and it also says that we received the acrylic set. However, these are the whole acrylic plastic sets over here that we can stack over on the side. So you can put the figurines together in the box as well as stacking the acrylic as well. So because of timing, we have to cut it a bit short. However, we do need to thank Vivo we really appreciate it that they send in this blind box set to us in collaboration with Pop Mart as well. Thank you so much from us, from me and my family, and also from the team at 160. We do appreciate it, and do stay tuned. We do have a full review of the vivo V60 after that, which we will show the capability of portrait shooting and all styles of shooting. And upon purchasing the phone next week, maybe you have to update the software after that. You will also get special stickers or borders for your new vivo V60 phone. So that is one of the features that we know of. But do stay tuned. We have more for you in collaboration with Vivo after this. So thank you so much for watching. And do remember to like and subscribe to us. And we shall see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.